Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I show you how to record call sound. Open your Play Store. My Play Store is here. Open this app. Search here call recorder. Here we have different app for call recording, but some of them are not work. It is better to write here all call recorder. Download this first, all call recorder. Click here, then click on download. It will take a few moments to download this app, and also it is dependent on your network. I want to say the configuration of this app is so important. Watch to end. Let's to configure this app. Open this app. Click here. Now, everything is here. Close. Click here. Generate permission. Click on allow. Again allow. Again do it, allow. Now click on OK. Stop optimizing battery usage. Click on allow. Then enter one pin for this app. Click on OK. Enter your pin. For example, I want to add 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm your pin. It means repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here you should add your email address. It is my email address. When you add your email address, click on OK. Again, click on OK. Here is also OK. Click here. Again, open your app. Before this, if you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. Enter your pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 3 line. Click here. Auto call recorder app. It means when any call comes for you, this app will give the sound. Open this option. Click on OK. Here is install service. Click here. Click in this option. Auto call recording app counter. Also on this option. Click on OK. Now any call come for you, this app will record. Attention here. Now this option is on. Guys, I hope you enjoyed from this video. In the end, don't forget to like and also subscribe the channel. Have a good day. See you soon.